All right, guys. So just got into work. My boss has given me the task to get a bunch of new SKUs live into the e-commerce. So we're gonna take a look at that today and how Bluestone PIM can help us. So in this case, some jackets that have come in from the ERP. So we just need to get that enriched and ready to go in time for the product launch. So clock is ticking. And of course we got a dashboard in Bluestone to help us get an overview here of what's going on. We see products we have published to Amazon over the past few days, but right now I want to focus on these jackets here. And we can see the three of them, they're all missing core data. So let's get right to it. Click here and the PIM will filter out the three products right here. We see what's missing, all these red validations. We gotta take care of that. And we start with the variant group, so the parent product. We can do the enrichment on that level and propagate it down. So that's gonna help us here because the brand and the season, it's gonna be the same for both variants, right? So I go in here and into the attributes. And for the season, I will set that to, it's a fall jacket. And also let's lock them into this brand, Victor's Fancy brand. And with that, we should already be done with that. Yes, so now these products are gone from that step of the workflow and they're now ready for the channels. Okay, so I follow them in the workflow. Clock is ticking. We're doing good. So these products now, let's send them out into the channel. And this could be automated, but for the sake of showing you what we do here, I'm doing it manually. And we just add them to the e-commerce, the Swedish e-commerce channel in this case. All right. And update again, and they will again be gone from this workflow step because now they have moved here. They're in the channels, but they're missing marketing data, right? So we need to add some marketing data before we can publish these products. Follow in here again, and we can see we need ecom description and SEO description for the two variants here. So the easiest and quickest here, of course, if I'm a good copywriter, I can say great jacket here, but I'm not that good at writing those myself, so I'm going to use AI. I'm going to go to AI Enrich, and I have a template for this. So let me see here, the jacket auto enrich is going to help me just take care of this quickly. All right, so I'm loading that up. Here's the data we're sending into the AI. Of course, with Bluestone PIM, you can work with any kind of AI you want. OpenAI, Google, AWS, anything. So no extra charge, no cost for the AI, just rock and roll. And then on the output, ecom description, SEO optimized description. And I have some instructions here as well. Confident professional voice, 5 bullet points, let's go. All right, and now that enrichment is complete, let's go back and confirm, just refresh here. All right, so we can see now that the AI has created our ecom description and our SEO optimized description, good. Still missing some things here. You see the completeness, 89%. And I go to view details, and this is gonna show me what's still missing. So for the channels, we're still missing an upsell relation. Luckily, I have automations for this. So I've told the system that for all the jackets in this category that are more expensive than this one, automatically add the relation. So that will happen automatically. Typically, we want to find ways to automate and create rules for these kind of things, right? All right, so now we can see that the automation has added that upsell and all three jackets are ready to publish. Seems we're right on time. Let's see those three products here. Yeah, ready to go, 100% complete. Everything looks good. And let's go ahead and change the status. We want to publish. In this case, it's my English context. We can of course publish in many different languages at once if we want, but a bit later we might use the AI to translate to those markets. Right now we have English product data, and let's sync it out. All right, so now we have run that and we are live. So these products are now published. They are downstream, and we made it just on time, guys. So thanks for following that flow. And this is just how Bluestone PIM can help you when it comes to getting products out in your channels quickly. Next time we might look at more of those AI tools and how they can help you in different ways when it comes to managing product data. Thank you.